Quantum reality. What scientists just found. The reality behind reality. What if everything we see, the stars, our world, even our thoughts, is not reality, but the shadow of something deeper? For centuries, humans believed the universe was built from matter, solid, predictable, measurable. But then, science discovered something terrifying. The closer we looked, the less real everything became. Matter turned into energy. Energy became vibration, and vibration became probability. At the heart of it all, a whisper, a strange rule that says nothing exists until it is observed. So, who's doing the observing? Welcome to the new frontier of physics, quantum reality. The quantum awakening. It all began a century ago when scientists split the atom and found chaos. Electrons jumped between places without traveling. Particles appeared from nowhere and vanished into nothing. The more precisely they tried to measure one thing, the less they could know about another. This was not just strange, it was impossible. Yet, it worked. Every computer chip, every laser, every smartphone today runs on laws no one fully understands. How can we call this reality when it only behaves logically? Until we look too closely? Entanglement, the invisible connection. Two particles are born together and then torn apart by light years. Touch one, and the other reacts instantly. No signal, no time delay, no explanation. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. But in 2025, scientists confirmed what he feared. This spooky connection is real. Quantum entanglement defies distance, time, even causality. It's as if the universe itself remembers its origin and keeps every part connected to every other. If everything is still connected, does separation even exist? Or are we just looking at ourselves from different angles of space and time? The new quantum experiments of 2025. The new generation of experiments has pushed the limits of imagination. Lasers now trap a single photon. Computers create virtual universes. And scientists teleport quantum states across continents. The results are shocking. Particles don't just exist in one place. They exist everywhere until you measure them. Reality, it seems, is not found. It's chosen. In some experiments, even the future choice of a scientist changes what happened in the past. Let that sink in. The future, shaping the past. If time can flow backward, how real is the arrow of time we live in? Vacuum is not empty. In school, we learned that vacuum, means nothing. But modern physics says the opposite. The vacuum is everything. Even in total emptiness, quantum fields flicker. Particles appear and vanish in trillionths of a second. The void seethes with invisible energy, the so-called zero-point field. Without this hidden ocean, the universe would collapse. Some physicists now think that every black hole, every galaxy, every one of us, is just a ripple in this infinite sea of nothingness. If nothing can create something, what does that make us? The wave or the ocean? The observer effect, consciousness and reality. Every quantum experiment ends with the same question. Why does observation matter? When we look, particles choose a position. When we don't, they remain waves spread across infinite possibilities. Consciousness, it seems, collapses probability into existence. Without awareness, there may be no reality at all. Some physicists call it superstition, others the ultimate truth. If your mind shapes reality, then whose mind shaped you? Quantum fields and the fabric of everything. What we call matter is just vibration within quantum fields. There are no solid objects, only waves dancing in invisible harmony. Every atom, every star, every thought is a note in a cosmic symphony. The electron in your body and the one in a distant galaxy are waves in the same field, connected by the same cosmic breath. If everything is vibration, is the universe playing the song, or is the song the universe itself? The multiverse hypothesis. For decades, scientists believed in one universe. Now, they speak of many. Every quantum choice, every wave collapse, every probability spawns another reality. In one, you're watching this video. In another, you never existed. The multiverse isn't a fantasy anymore. It's a prediction of quantum math. If infinite versions of you exist, which one is truly you? The philosophy of quantum existence. For the first time, science and philosophy meet in the same mirror. Quantum mechanics doesn't just describe matter, it describes mind. Reality may not be out there, it may be created in here. Every thought, every observation, every act of attention might be the universe becoming aware of itself. Maybe consciousness didn't emerge from the universe. Maybe the universe emerged from consciousness. The future of physics. The next revolution is already here. Quantum computers are rewriting logic. New telescopes are watching the first seconds of existence. Artificial intelligence is analyzing patterns we can't even see. The boundary between observer and experiment is fading. Soon, we might not just study the universe, we might co-create it. If humans can now manipulate quantum reality, are we becoming the new creators? The ultimate question. Everything connects, everything spins, everything is. At the edge of science, we find philosophy. At the edge of philosophy, silence. The universe might not be a place, but a process. Not an object, but a thought unfolding. Maybe it doesn't exist out there at all. Maybe it exists only when we believe in it. So tell me, if reality needs you to exist, who are you? When you close your eyes? Resolution. Quantum reality isn't a theory anymore. It's the mirror of existence. We are not visitors in this universe. We are the universe, watching itself, dreaming itself, measuring itself into being. Every thought you have changes the field. Every look collapses infinity into a moment called now. Reality is not what you see. It's what sees you back.